Why is expressive language a challenge for autistic people? Imagine trying to share your thoughts or feelings but feeling like your words are stuck or don't come out quite right. That's what many autistic individuals experience when it comes to expressive language. It's a way of showing what's inside your mind through words, gestures, or other signals. For some, it can feel like trying to build a puzzle with missing pieces. Autistic people often have differences in the brain areas that handle language. These areas include parts of the brain called the frontal and temporal lobes. Studies using brain scans show that these regions work differently in autistic individuals. This can make it harder to put thoughts into words, form sentences, or use language in ways that fit social situations. Understanding what someone is trying to say can also be difficult because receptive language, which is how we understand spoken or nonverbal cues, can be challenging for autistic people. If they struggle to interpret tone of voice, facial expressions, or body language, it becomes harder to respond appropriately or start conversations. This can make communication feel more complicated and frustrating. Another common feature is echolalia, which is when someone repeats words or phrases they have heard. Sometimes this is a way to practice or understand language better. But it can also make it seem like they are not creating original sentences or ideas. This repetition can be confusing for others who don't understand its purpose. Many autistic people have a limited vocabulary or find it hard to put words in order. They might use simple sentences or have trouble with grammar. These issues can make their speech less clear or harder to follow, especially when trying to share complex thoughts or feelings. Supporting communication differences means recognizing that these challenges are part of how autism affects development. It's not just a delay but a different way of learning and expressing. Speech therapy, using gestures, pictures, or assistive technology can help. These tools allow individuals to communicate more effectively in ways that suit their strengths. In the end, expressive language difficulties happen because of how the brain develops and processes language. It's important to see these challenges as a different style of communication. With patience, support, and personalized strategies, many autistic people can find ways to share their ideas and feelings more easily.